Hello everyone. Today we're embarking on an incredible journey to uncover one of nature's most fascinating treasures, honey. This golden elixir, crafted by diligent bees, is not just food, it's a marvel of nature, steeped in hard work, skill, and a profound connection to the environment. As we delve into the world of honey harvesting, you'll see it's much more than a task. It's an intricate art form. It requires precision, patience, and most importantly, respect for the tiny but mighty creatures who make it all possible, the bees. Each drop of honey represents the ceaseless efforts of a bustling colony, working in perfect harmony. It's a masterpiece born from the teamwork of thousands of bees and the dedication of beekeepers, whose role is as delicate as it is daring. We'll witness the captivating honey harvesting process, a practice carried out with great care to ensure the safety of both the bees and the people involved. Imagine climbing to lofty treetop hives where courage meets expertise. Every move must be deliberate and gentle, for one slip could harm the bees or the harvester. Take a moment to admire these shimmering golden honeycombs bursting with sweet natural goodness. The harvest is a meticulous dance of skill and precision, carefully separating the honeycombs, ensuring the comb structure remains intact, and extracting the honey with the utmost care. Every honeycomb is like a treasure chest, filled to the brim with delicious, nutrient-rich honey. Beyond its delectable flavor, honey is a powerhouse of health benefits, revered for its medicinal properties that have been cherished for centuries. Let's take a moment to acknowledge the incredible beekeepers whose dedication, expertise, and respect for nature bring us this liquid gold. Their unwavering commitment ensures we can enjoy honey in its purest form, a gift of sweetness and nourishment from the heart of nature. So, as you savor honey's rich taste, remember the effort, skill, and harmony that go into its creation. Truly, honey is not just a food, it's the sweet reward of life.
Cái ba mồm nữa.